TikTok has been buzzing since the pandemic, and it's still going strong today. I bet you've spent some time scrolling through it, right? But what if I told you there's more to it than just killing time? In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn your TikTok addiction into cold hard cash with just a little effort. Imagine earning $4 to $6 for each video you watch. So if you're ready to dive in and start making money, hit that like button and subscribe before we get started. Ready to turn your TikTok binge into cold hard cash? It's as simple as hitting play. Start by searching for those laugh-out-loud funny videos that are breaking the internet. With millions of views and counting, it's clear these clips are all the rage. You can ride the wave of their popularity straight to the bank. Let me show you how to cash in on these trending treasures and rake in the dough like a pro. Now, step 2. Scroll through TikTok's most viral and trending videos until you find one that grabs your attention. It could be a hilarious skit, a mind-blowing dance routine, or something unexpected that just resonates with you. Once you've found a contender, hit play and watch it through to the end. If it doesn't quite hit the mark, no worries. Simply swipe back and try another until you strike gold. Now, let's talk screenshots. These little snapshots are your ticket to the next phase. They help you keep track of the videos you're interested in and serve as a handy reference for what comes next. Not sure how to take a screenshot? Don't fret. If you're on a computer, simply press the print screen button or use a snipping tool. On your smartphone, it's usually a combination of the power button and volume down button, but you can also find this option in your phone's settings. Capture the moment and save it for later. Now that you've got your screenshot, it's time to think outside the box. While funny videos are a popular choice, don't limit yourself. TikTok's vast library is brimming with diverse content, from heartwarming moments to jaw-dropping stunts. Take a moment to explore different categories and keywords to find videos that are making waves. Not sure where to start? A quick Google search for the hottest TikTok trends can point you in the right direction. After you've searched for what's trending on Google, click on one of the search results that catches your eye. This will take you to a page where you'll find a bunch of videos related to that topic. Take your time to look through them and see what people are talking about. When you find a category or type of video that interests you, head back to TikTok and search for those same keywords. This will show you similar videos on TikTok. Watch them and see which ones you like best. Once you've found a video you enjoy, watch it all the way through. If it's something you want to remember, take a screenshot. Then, you can keep exploring other videos in that category or try searching for something else. Remember, the idea is to find videos that you find interesting or funny. So have fun searching and see what catches your attention. Now let's move forward with the next step. Open your browser and navigate to canva.com. This is a versatile design platform that you can access from anywhere with an internet connection, whether you're using a computer or a smartphone. If you haven't already signed up for Canva, don't worry, it's a breeze. Simply click on the Sign Up button and you'll have the option to create an account using your Google, Facebook, or email credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Canva dashboard. From here, click on the Create a Design button located at the top corner of the screen. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Custom Size from the list. In the Custom Dimensions box that pops up, enter 1080 pixels for width and 1920 pixels for height, which is the optimal size for a TikTok video. Hit Create New Design to proceed. Now, you'll find yourself in the Canva editor, ready to work your magic. Look for the Uploads tab on the left-hand side panel and click on it. This will open the upload window. Simply click on the Upload an Image or Video button and choose the screenshot image you captured earlier from your device. Canva will start uploading your image, and once it's finished, you'll see it appear in your Uploads library. With your screenshot uploaded, it's time to position it onto your canvas. Click and drag the image onto your blank canvas area and adjust its size as needed by clicking and dragging on the corners. This allows you to resize the image to fit perfectly within your TikTok video frame. Now, let's add some visual interest to your image. Navigate to the Elements tab in the left-hand side panel and click on it. This will open a library of design elements you can use to enhance your creation. Choose a shape from the options provided, perhaps a rectangle or a circle, and click on it to add it to your canvas. You can customize the color of the shape by clicking on it and selecting a hue from the color palette that appears. Once you're satisfied with the color, resize the shape as needed by clicking and dragging on its corners. This sets the stage for the next steps in the process, allowing you to add text and other elements to your TikTok video. Now let's add some text to your design. Click click on the text icon, which looks like a big T, located in the left-hand side panel. From the options that appear, select Add a Heading. Click and drag the text box to the rectangle shape you added earlier. Then, type in your desired text. For example, you can write, "Wow, a viral video," in the text box. If you'd like to change the font of your text, simply click on the text box and then click on the font drop-down menu. Choose a different font from the list provided. For this example, let's select Anton for a bold look. Now that your text is in place, let's add a play button to give your design that TikTok video vibe. Head back to the Elements tab and search for Play Button. Drag one of the play buttons onto your image. You can choose the blue one or any other style that catches your eye. Make sure to position the play button in the middle of your design. Finally, let's download your completed image. Click on the Share button located in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Download. Click on Download again in the pop-up window, and your image will start downloading to your device. Now let's dive into the next phase of this process. I'll guide you on how to leverage your image and a TikTok video to start earning money effortlessly. Here are some real payment proofs from individuals who are earning daily using this method. One person made $5 today, another made $6, and yet another earned $10. The success stories keep pouring in, moving forward. Our next stop is Pinterest. This platform will serve as our gateway to earning money online using TikTok videos and our image. Pinterest attracts millions of visitors all around the world every day. First, you'll need to set up your Pinterest account if you haven't already. Once that's taken care of, head to the Create tab and select Create Pin. This sets the stage for the next steps in our process, allowing us to leverage Pinterest to generate income with our content. Now, it's time to upload the image you created. Double-click in the designated area and select the image from your device. Then, type the title of your TikTok video in the provided space. When people on Pinterest see your image and click the link, they'll watch your video. However, instead of directly linking your TikTok video, which could get lots of views from Pinterest due to its high traffic, but won't earn you money, I'll show you how to add your own link that generates income whenever someone clicks on it. To start earning money, visit the website called Shrink Me. Begin by clicking on Register to create your account. Fill in your details and complete the registration process. Afterward, verify your email and log into your dashboard. Here's where it gets exciting. The minimum withdrawal from this website is only $5, and they offer various payment methods such as Bitcoin, PayPal, and more. So once you've earned, you can easily cash out your earnings using these methods. Now let's return to the homepage of Shrink Me. Click on New Shorten Link and paste the TikTok video's link in the provided space. After pasting, click Shorten. Now, simply copy this new link and paste it onto Pinterest. But before publishing an image, you need to create a board. Click on Create Board. Give it any name you like and hit Create. Finally, click Publish, and your pin will go live on Pinterest. Sometimes, however, Pinterest may not accept links from Shrink Me. In such cases, you can use another website called Linktree. Linktree acts as a middleman, changing your Shrink Me link to one that Pinterest accepts, but still directs to Shrink Me. It's a workaround to ensure your link gets accepted and leads to your intended destination. And that's it. Now, every time someone clicks on your Shrink Me link, you'll be earning money. It's a simple yet effective way to monetize your TikTok videos and start generating income online. Thanks for tuning in. Now it's time to take action and turn those dreams into reality. With dedication and the right strategies, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Keep pushing forward and making those dreams a reality. Until next time, dream big, hustle harder. Hustle.